Hello, and thank you for joining us. We are, of course, talking about Bible prophecy and how a literal reading of the text in the Bible will indicate that we are in the last days. So let's look at Daniel. The writing is on the wall for our generation. That is what we are saying. The writing is on the wall for us today. But in Daniel 12:4, Daniel was told, "But thou, O Daniel, shut up the words and seal the book to the time of the end. Many shall run to and fro, and knowledge shall be increased." So he was to seal the book, seal the visions to the time of the end. Where at the time of the end it says, "Many shall run to and fro, and knowledge shall be increased." Well, we are in the day and age of mass transit. These are planes in the air, a snapshot. Mass transit. Many do run to and fro all around the globe. And knowledge has been increased. We are not in the Stone Age, the Bronze Age. We are in the Information Age. And you can look around and know that this is true, that both of those things have come to pass. Daniel was to shut up the words and seal the book to the time of the end, where many shall run to and fro, and knowledge shall be increased. So we see that these things have come to pass. Many run to and fro. Knowledge is increased. So we have to ask. We have to ask ourselves, are the books opened? Are they still sealed? So as we work through the writing on the wall, we will see some things that indicate that maybe, just maybe, they are no longer sealed. So moving ahead, we're going to look at the writing on the wall and the actual text of the writing on the wall. That's in Daniel 5:25. And this, the writing that was written, Mene, Tekel, Upharsin, that was the writing on the wall, and the interpretation was in the following verse. Daniel 5:26, this, the interpretation of the thing. Mene, God hath numbered thy kingdom and finished it. It said that God had numbered our kingdom. God had numbered thy kingdom and finished it. And when we look at the Bible, when you study the Bible, you'll find that the Bible itself has been numbered. All the words in the Bible have been numbered. It's the Strong's Exhaustive Concordance of the Bible. It has numbered all the words in the Bible. So as we look at that, we can see, as I pull up the browser here, let's see here. I'm going to pull up the browser and you can see, as I scroll through here, this is that verse, Daniel 5:25, and all I have to do is if you just click on the Strong's, it'll show you all the Strong's numbers of that verse and all the other verses in the Bible. And you'll see that these words are numbered. Behind each set of words, there is a number because all the words have been numbered. Now I can go through here to tools as well and see and get the text of it here, and this, the writing that was written, Mene, Tekel, Upharsin, all of it has been numbered. So we see that the Bible itself has been numbered. This, the interpretation of the thing, Mene, God hath numbered thy kingdom and finished it. So when we look at the word numbered, when we look up the word numbered, the number of the word numbered in that text is 4483. 4483. That is H4483 to indicate the Hebrew. Mena, that's to number, a point, translated numbered. So we see that this has two numbers for 4483 has two words attached to it. It has the Hebrew H4483 and it also has the Greek G4483. The H4483 is actually Aramaic there, Mena, to number to a point from that verse, and that corresponds, or rather is numbered with G4483. You can see they both have the number 4483. One is H for Hebrew, or in this case Aramaic. The other is G for Greek, and that word is to pour forth, to utter. It's translated spoken. The word is reo. So numbered is numbered with the word for spoken. And we see the numbered is numbered with the word for spoken. And that word is not just speaking like you and I might talk, the casual conversation. This is words spoken of the Lord by the prophets. This occurs, I believe, 26 times, and over 20 of them are specifically about words spoken by the prophets. Words of the Lord spoken by the prophet. In other words, the Bible. So here's two instances here of the word spoken. It says, that it might be fulfilled which was spoken of the Lord by the prophet. And then the next one, Matthew 13:14, spoken of by Daniel the prophet. So what these words are actually the Bible, because the words spoken by Daniel the prophet ended up in the Bible. We call that the Bible. The words spoken by the prophets ended up in what we call the Bible. They were scrolls at one time. They were the words of the Lord through the prophets, but they are now what we call the Bible. And the Bible is numbered just as it said. It said, Mene, Mene, Tekel Upharsin. Those were the words on the writing on the wall. Numbered, numbered. That's what the translation is. Numbered is numbered with spoken. So when we see this, when we see these words together, that is the writing on the wall. The writing on the wall for our generation is God has numbered his word. He has numbered it, he has put it on the wall, and now it is set against the things of this day and age. The people of this day and age have heaped up treasure together for the last days, and the writing on the wall testifies against that. Thy kingdom is numbered. God has numbered this kingdom. He has numbered his word, and we can see that God is speaking through his word, through the words of the prophets. He has put the writing on the wall for our day, and we're going to work through this and see exactly what the writing on the wall says to us. What is the problem? What is lacking or deficient? Why did God put the writing on the wall? So thank you for watching this video. You can see more of my videos at yeshuaiscoming.com or signoffire.com. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and in our next video we're going to look at the things that we are deficient in. What is it? What is the writing on the wall for us? Why has it been given to us now? Thank you very much for joining us. Till next time.